Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ayo. Today's video is going to be another product review and I'm featuring the second go around for Kylie and Kim's lip collection. I've never ordered anything from Kylie Cosmetics before and I know what you're probably thinking. Ayo, what are you doing? We need to be united against the Kardashian-Jenner clan, but honestly, these colors look really good online, okay? I just feel like I had to take one for the team, honestly. Like they were fire. Fire. So, you know, we're gonna see what they're talking about and see if they hidden or not. But before I get into the review, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and also hit that bell so that you can get notified when I do upload new videos. So without further ado, let's get into it. The packaging came in this box along with this photo, and on the back, Kylie wrote like a little sum. She said, KKW, Kylie round 2, it's all because of you. I get to collaborate with my sister. Thanks for all the love. It's been so much fun in creating more colors. Love, Kylie. Oh, how cute. This is the box right here. It's cute. It's a nice soft finish. Opening it for the first time. See, they just look fire. They just look like they would be perfect on my skin tone and our skin tone. So, you know, I figured if they are trash, then I would just sell them. You know what I'm saying? But this is it. And you just pull them out individually. This is Main Bay. This is the one that got me. This is the one where I was like, oh, I'm gonna need to see what's going on here. This is twinning. There. This is Double Trouble. And the last one is Soul Sister. Cute names, cute packaging. I mean, packaging is pretty, it's pretty basic. I don't feel like I need to keep the box or anything. But these are the colors that got me sold, y'all. And I'll go ahead and do some swatches. Let's start with Soul Sister, which is this one. Oh. It has a smell. It smells pretty good. Okay, so this is Soul Sister. Soul Sister is described as a brick red, and Double Trouble is a red chestnut. Twinning is a rosy terracotta. I'm not too sure about this one. I really don't know how I feel about these colors on me, this type of color on me. And Main Bay is a bronze copper, and when I was looking online, she was using this to top off other colors. So if you can just see why I decided to just spend my coins. These are beautiful. So Soul Sister and Double Trouble are matte liquid lipsticks, and the glosses are Main Bay, or just Main Bay, and then the velvet liquid lipstick is Twinning. Okay, so I'm gonna wipe this off. Let's see if it's transfer proof or anything. Ugh. Oh, okay, but oh. Okay, let me go ahead and take off my Fenty gloss. Real dap. And let's just see what these colors is really hinting for. Let's see how they feel on the lips. Let's see how they look on our skin tone, on the brown skins, and let's just see if I don't need to be talking about her anymore. Well, actually, Kylie has been kind of relatable. I don't know what's going on. I don't really dislike her as much as I used to. Not that I disliked her, but I don't know. You know what I mean? Like, Nobody trying to be here. Okay, so let's start with twinning. I'll start with this one because I'm not too fond on like this type of pink on me. I don't know, maybe I just haven't found the right color, but I'm gonna need to put on some type of chapstick, so that's why I got the Carmex on deck always. So I'm gonna take my NYX lip liner in Espresso, just a brown, and line my lips with that. Let's apply twinning. Let's see what this is really talking about. Okay, so it's really soft. And one swab is just enough. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. That is pink, baby. Whoa. This is so new to me. I don't put colors on my lips like this at all. But this is twinning, y'all. What do we think? It's soft. I definitely do think that you should put on some type of chapstick prior to application. I don't know if I'm gonna be wearing, I don't know if I'm gonna be wearing this, y'all. I just, Soul Sister. Okay, these are like made out of, is this like a fake glass of some sort? Let's see. Ugh, it's so pigmented. Like, do you see how much product comes out within that first application? I don't know if these are just really just high impact and just really just pigmented and just strong, or if it's just something I'm not used to. Because I don't put colors on my lips, guys. I really just wear glosses, like neutral Fenty Gloss Bomb Buxom, just like Clear Max. Like, that's just what I do. Low key though, I'm feeling this. What is this one? Soul Sister. I kind of like this. You know me, I'ma always keep it 100 all day, every day. And this is just low key doing it for me. Transferring on my teeth, I will say that. But I think that's pretty normal. Oh, sis was not lying when she said high impact colors. My God, Kylie. They don't need to be this strong. I'm channeling my inner B Simone. Next up, we have Double Trouble. Real soft. And they all have some type of smell to them. Like, it smells like food, like cake. What are we thinking about this? Because I feel like since she draws her lips on as opposed to me, I have full lips already. I feel like these are made for girls who don't have full lips. Like, I just feel like I'm putting so much on. Like, I just feel like my lips look a little bit bigger, and that's not what I'm trying to do here. They're already big. I don't need them to be any bigger. But the colors are nice. I will say that the colors are really nice. This is cute. This is, you know, it's like whatever. It's not really doing it for me because I'm not like really wow with it. But I'm applying Main Bay on top of, what was it? Double Trouble. She's kind of cute. Not even Fenty front. She kind of cute. Now I'm gonna apply Main Bay alone by itself. Soft, creamy. I didn't line my lips, I just realized that, but you don't really have to with gloss. Sometimes you just need to step out of your comfort zone, and Main Bay is definitely my fave. But all in all, I mean, I'm not going out anywhere, so I can't really say how long like it lasts. But as far as application goes, pretty perfect. Soft, creamy, they all have nice scents. They are high impact she's not lying about that. And I mean, she would want to put in some good work with her product on her name. Do we like, do we love? Are they brown skin approved? Let me know what y'all think in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for my next videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.